Welcome back. Focusing on the delicate ruffles today. I'm covering the attachment and the hand finish edge in this clip, but the complete top construction is available in my other videos. Let's get into details. We are adding a touch of texture with these delicate ruffles at the shoulders. I'm carefully gathering the fabric to ensure the ruffles are even and full of life. The key to a professional finish is how we nest those ruffles into the shoulder seam. To ensure the ruffles sit perfectly, I'm applying a bias bending over the seam. The final touch is this hand sew closure, ensuring the inside of the garment is just as beautiful as the outside. The shoulders is now perfectly framed and finished. If you love the art of garment construction, join me for the next project. Don't forget to follow for more details from the atelier.